friends, welcome back. Today we're going to go up into space and whiz and see what are stars. So dive in, and today I will tell you about the stars and the difference of each stars in our universe. So you need to get aboard a rocket and come up. So, I'm going to explain about the stars. So, what are stars? Stars are a circular object to be precise. It is filled with helium and hydrogen, so it packs up and creates a hot and bright star. So, the first and smallest type of star, which is all abundant in the universe, is the red dwarfs. As you can see here, the red dwarfs are the smallest stars in the universe. They're the size of some Jupiters together, but still they're quite small to see in the scale of our sun. So this is a dwarf star, and this is the sun. So now you can see which is the bigger image. So the biggest star we know are the Hypergiants, which we will tell you about in this video, but later. So, the second smallest are the yellow dwarfs. The smallest record-holding, which is very rare, stars are the small white dwarfs, which can be only found by some stars which have gone most of their lives done, and they've straightened in their own pressure and become this small little star. So, we will now tell you about yellow dwarfs. So, yellow dwarfs are some stars such as the sun. So, the sun is actually not that small, but people call it the small dwarf. So first we will check on the sun. The sun is a lot big, and it's in the center of our universe. And there are some stars such as the Sirius and Centaurus A and more other stars which are bigger, and they're actually blue. So next to us is, over here, is a red giant. And this is when it gets big and tremendously big. This big that it gets up. If you were to fit these huge stars in our solar system, they would go up to the length of our Earth's atmosphere together. So if this is Earth, it'll cross all the way and cover Mercury and Venus's orbits. So that's pretty big. The biggest star we know over here in our Milky Way galaxy, it is Stephenson. So we know Stephenson is quite big, and Stephenson 12 is the biggest star, what we know over here in the Milky Way. So we'll just check over here. The Stephenson is quite big. It's so big that it is now qualified as a red hypergiant. And this is when it gets very big. It can cover up to the Saturn's orbit, so it crosses Jupiter, Earth, Mars, and Venus and Mercury's orbit out of that height. Can you imagine that? So, in the next episode, I will tell you about more and bigger stars which get enormously big. So, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye bye.